What is up, guys? It's your boy Auri Fitness in the building, and in this video I'm gonna share a few tips on how you can get bigger biceps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video if it was helpful. Let's get right to the tips. Let's go. All right, we're gonna start with the first tip. The first tip is to use the full range of motion, all right? And that's how it goes. That is how you do biceps curls by twisting our wrist. Alright, so that is the first tip. Use a full range of motion. You see a lot of people just doing that here. Alright, but you don't want to be this guy, alright? You want to go and get a full stretch and contract your biceps. And then contract your biceps. And now I want to show you two ways on how you can do your biceps, alright? You can do it that way. I see that the grip, how I'm holding the dumbbells, just like that. Full stretch, contract. Full stretch, contract, full stretch, and squeeze your biceps together, alright? That is one way to do it. The other way is to hold it like that, to do the hammer curls, the so-called hammer curls. We're doing the same exact thing, going to the full stretch and squeezing, But you see that? I'm using the hammer grip, like you're holding a hammer, I guess. Alright, but it's the same principle. And by doing the hammer curls, you are gonna get that biceps peak, alright, that you see right there. Because it's working on your outer biceps, alright? Biceps has two heads. There's an inner head and an outer head. And by doing the hammer curls, you are working on the outer head of your biceps. And that's why you have that peak right here that you can see, alright? And by doing it just the normal curls, we are working on the inner head. Alright guys, I hope that was helpful. Full stretch, full range of motion, okay? No swinging, always controlling the weight. You are the one that has to control the weight. It's not supposed to be the other way around, that the weight is controlling you. And the second tip was to use alternates between the hammer grip and just the regular grip to work on the outer head as well, not only on the inner head. Alright guys, I hope those tips were helpful. Let me know if you need any other kind of tips, or if you need just other workout videos. I'm just still starting my channel right here. Yeah, I'm a certified fitness trainer, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.